Welcome to the future of luxury travel. This is the Chevrolet SkyLuxe 6x6 concept. It is an absolute game changer.
Welcome back to Concept RVs, where we explore the world's most extraordinary luxury motorhomes, futuristic RV concepts, and rolling mansions. And today, we're looking at something that completely changes the idea of what an RV can be. Imagine pulling into a destination in a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, but looks like an entire luxury resort traveling down the highway. Multiple living levels, enormous panoramic glass, a private balcony, a rooftop terrace, and 6 wheels supporting one of the most outrageous motorhome designs we've ever seen. This is the Chevrolet SkyLuxe 6X6. Now, before we begin, one important note. The SkyLuxe 6X6 featured in this video is a futuristic design concept created for entertainment and imagination. It is not an officially announced Chevrolet production motorhome, so the specifications, features, performance, and pricing we're discussing are conceptual. With that out of the way, let's take a full tour of this incredible machine. Starting with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the SkyLuxe is its incredible presence. This doesn't look like a traditional motorhome. It looks more like a luxury penthouse that has somehow been placed on a 6-wheel chassis. The deep metallic blue bodywork flows from the front grille all the way toward the rear, with smooth aerodynamic surfaces and elegant champagne gold LED lighting tracing the edges of the vehicle. At the front, the Chevrolet-inspired grille and gold bow tie emblem give the concept a familiar identity, while the slim LED headlights create an unmistakably futuristic appearance. But then you look upward, and that's when this motorhome becomes something completely different. The SkyLuxe features a dramatic multi-level architecture with enormous glass walls stretching across the living areas. Instead of hiding the interior behind small RV windows, this concept opens almost the entire side of the vehicle to the outside world. During the day, natural light floods into the living spaces. At night, the warm interior lighting turns the entire motorhome into a glowing luxury residence. And then there are those 6 massive wheels, the 6X6. Configuration gives the SkyLuxe a much more commanding stance than a conventional luxury coach. It looks powerful, stable, and ready for long-distance adventures, while the polished wheels add a level of elegance you wouldn't normally associate with an expedition-style vehicle. But the most impressive exterior feature may be the outdoor living space. Look at that balcony. The concept features an elevated outdoor terrace that can transform the side of the motorhome into a private entertainment area. A wide staircase leads down toward the ground, while glass railings keep the design open and modern, and above it all sits the rooftop terrace. Imagine parking beside a mountain lake, an oceanfront cliff, or somewhere deep in the desert. Then heading upstairs to your own private rooftop lounge. At that point, you're not simply camping. You're taking a luxury penthouse with you. Now let's step inside. The main lounge is designed to feel less like an RV and more like a modern luxury apartment. Large curved sofa dominates the living area, surrounded by premium materials, warm architectural lighting, dark walnut accents, and enormous panoramic windows. The glass creates an incredible connection with the outside environment. Instead of feeling enclosed inside a vehicle, you feel like you're sitting inside a luxury glass residence with the landscape surrounding you. A concept like this could also feature a large entertainment display, premium surround sound, smart climate controls, automated curtains, and privacy glass that changes from transparent to shaded at the touch of a button. And because the SkyLuxe is so large, the lounge doesn't feel like a compromise. There's room to actually live. You could entertain guests, enjoy a movie, relax after a long drive, or simply sit beside the glass and watch the scenery pass by. Moving forward, we come to the kitchen, and this is definitely not the tiny galley kitchen you might expect inside a traditional motorhome. The SkyLuxe concept gives the kitchen the appearance of a luxury apartment kitchen, complete with a large island, premium induction cooking, built-in appliances, a full-size refrigerator, elegant cabinetry, and generous preparation space. A dining area sits nearby, creating a comfortable environment for meals with family or guests. And because the kitchen is surrounded by glass, even something as simple as having breakfast becomes an experience. Imagine waking up beside a mountain lake, making coffee, sitting at the dining counter, and watching the sunrise through floor-to-ceiling windows. That's the kind of lifestyle this concept is trying to create. Now let's head upstairs. This is where the SkyLuxe begins to feel like a true penthouse on wheels. The upper living area provides additional seating and panoramic views, with enormous windows surrounding the space and a direct connection to the rooftop terrace. But eventually, every luxury journey needs somewhere peaceful to end the day. And that's where the master bedroom comes in. The bedroom is centered around a large king-size bed, surrounded by soft lighting, premium upholstery, elegant cabinetry, and panoramic windows. Imagine waking up and looking directly out at the mountains, ocean, or desert without ever leaving your bed. At night, the windows could be covered with blackout curtains, while subtle ambient lighting creates a calm, five-star hotel atmosphere. This isn't simply a place to sleep. It's designed to feel like a private luxury suite. Then we reach the bathroom, and once again, the SkyLuxe refuses to follow traditional RV design. Instead of a cramped washroom, imagine a spacious private spa with a large rainfall shower, elegant vanity, illuminated mirrors, premium stone surfaces, and sophisticated fixtures. The enormous dimensions of the concept would allow designers to create a bathroom that feels much closer to a luxury hotel than a typical motorhome. It's another example of the philosophy behind this vehicle. Don't sacrifice the comforts of home simply because you're traveling. Now, let's move into the driver's cabin. From here, the SkyLuxe would feel completely different. The driver sits behind a huge panoramic windshield, providing an impressive view of the road ahead. A futuristic digital dashboard could display navigation, vehicle information, cameras, energy levels, and driving data, while multiple camera systems could provide a 360-degree view around the enormous six-wheel vehicle. For something this large, technology would be extremely important. Sure, where you don't have to leave your lifestyle behind when you hit the road. You simply take your entire world with you. Thanks for watching Concept RVs, and I'll see you in the next one.